Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the mirror formula. Mirror formula. Class 12 Physics Chapter 9. Mirror formula. So for this there are two types of spherical mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. In case of concave mirror, we are now discussing. This is a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. This is its pole. This is its center of curvature. This is its focus. An object is placed beyond C. This. So a ray which pass through C will return back, because when pass through C, this will be normal to the mirror. So when light fall normally, it will not bend, it will move straight, return back, it will return back. Here 90 degrees, so it will return back. This. Another ray falling at pole, so this is also perpendicular, this line is also perpendicular. So angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This angle and this angle will be equal. These two reflected rays, this and this, these two reflected rays, this is incident and this is. These two reflected rays meet at this point. So A dash B dash is the image of the object AB. A dash B dash is the image of the object AB. What I have told, one ray pass through C and return back. Another ray fall on P, and after reflection it will making same angle return back and reflected, and these two reflected ray meet at point this, and here we get the image A dash B dash. AB is object, A dash B dash is the image. This is concave mirror. Now you see this, this triangle A B P, triangle A dash B dash P, they are similar. A B P, A dash B dash P, because these two 90 degree angle, this angle this, you see this triangle and this triangle. Oh, these two 90 degree and this angle equal to this angle. Clear? Are equal to R. So these two triangles are similar. So similar means side का ratio equal. So AB by A dash B dash, AB by A dash B dash equal to BP by B dash P. Equation 1. Again you see another two triangles are similar here. ABC, A dash B dash C. Triangle ABC similar to triangle A dash B dash C. These two similar, ABC, A dash B dash C. Okay. So why? Because you see this 90 degree vertical opposite angle. So even what you get, AB by A dash B dash equal to BC by B dash C. BC by B dash C. Okay. Now we see from these two triangles, from these two equation, left side equal, so right side equal. So BP by B dash P equal to BC by B dash C. Clear? See, this side left side equal, so right side equal. Now according to sign convention, all distances should be measured from pole. This is related to pole, but this is not related to pole. So you relate this to with pole. Relate this to with pole. So what we will get? BP by B dash P equal to BC. BC means BP minus PC. BP minus BP minus PC by B dash C. B dash C means ki PC minus B dash P. Clear? BC equal to this minus this. B dash C means this minus this. So all are related to P. So what is BP? BP means object distance. So this is U. This is U. But left side. So this is minus U. B dash P. This is V. So this is also minus side and left side. So this is V. So minus V equal to BP we have written minus U. PC equal to R minus R. So this is minus R by PC minus R and B dash P is minus V. So minus of minus V means plus V. So minus cancel. U by V equal to minus U minus R means 2F minus 2F plus V. So if we multiply, cross multiply, then what we get? This into this. So minus twice UF plus UV. This is equal to minus UV plus minus twice VF. So you see, you take this in this side, minus twice UF minus is minus. Actually, here you see minus and again minus plus. So this is UFV minus UVR. This is plus. So this is minus VF, and in this side this is minus UV minus UV. So all side minus cancel. Twice UF minus twice VF. Minus that you give minus equal to minus twice UV. So minus to cancel, both side minus to cancel. So it is coming UF plus VF equal to UV. Divide both side by UVF. Divide both side by UVF. UF by UVF. VF by UVF equal to UV by UVF. From this we are getting 1 by V. From this 1 by U equal to 1 by F. This is the mirror formula. Clear? First we have shown similar triangle. This ABP, A dash B dash P. From this we have got a relation. Then we have shown ABC, A dash B dash C. Similar. From this we have got another relation. Their left side equal, right side equal here. And in the relation, left we have seen that one term is related to P, other term is not related to P, but we have to measure all the distance from P. For this reason we have related this like this, and then we have used the sign convention. We have got this relation, multiply both sides and dividing by UVN, we have got 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by M. Okay. Now linear magnification. In case of convex mirror, same relation you will get 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by M. Concave, convex, same formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by M. Linear magnification. Linear magnification means इमेज कितना बड़ा और कितना छोटा है ऑब्जेक्ट से. How many times image is greater than or less than, larger than or smaller than the object size. This is the linear magnification. So its definition is linear magnification is the ratio of size of image to the size of object, or height of image to the height of object, and it is denoted by M if height is written by, this is H1 and image is H2, so image is H2, so this will be height of image means H2 by height of object H1. This is the definition. By definition, linear magnification means ratio of height of image to the height of object. Now we have told that we have discussed ABC, ABP and A dash B dash P similar. Triangle ABP similar to triangle A dash B dash P. These two triangles similar. It is already discussed in the earlier derivation. Triangle ABP similar to A dash B dash P. ABP similar to A dash B dash P. So when this is similar, AB by A dash B dash equal to BP by P dash P. Now use the sign convention. AB is H1, A dash B dash is minus H2 because this is below the principal axis. BP is object distance, so minus U. B dash P image distance minus P. So what we are getting? H2 by H1 from this. What we are getting? Minus B by U. So by this relation and this, what we are getting? Therefore N equal to H2 by H1 equal to minus V by U. This is the linear magnification. This is the linear magnification. Linear magnification means this is the ratio of size of image to the size of object. So this is by definition. Then this triangle similar to this triangle. From this we have got this, and by these two we can write M equal to H2 by H1 equal to minus V by U. Okay. This is in case of concave convex mirror also same. relation. Now question is, if the m, you see, if m greater than 1, what does it mean? Image is bigger than object. Image size is bigger than object. If m is less than 1, what does it mean? Image size is less than the object size. If m equal to 1, image size equal to object size. Now question is, if m is positive and if m is negative. M is positive means this is the virtual image. Image will be virtual. Virtual means erect. Image will be virtual. And if m is negative, then image is real. Image is real. This is in case of mirror and lens both. In everywhere this rule will be followed. If m positive, that means image is virtual. If m is negative, that means image is real. Real image means inverted. If m equal to 1, what does it mean? Image size equal to object size. If m less than 1, that means image size is smaller than the object size. If m greater than 1, image size is greater than the object size. Okay, bye.